your fridge is not dispensing ice anymore. Today I want to show you how to fix your fridge if your fridge is not wanting to dispense the ice. In this case, I open it up, it's not dispensing ice at all. So first of all, we're gonna remove this whole container. Always being careful. The brand and how you're gonna know if you can do this process is by going to the manual. Just remember that it says a Space Plus ice system. This is the type of brand. It's gonna be at LG. And if you have the same fridge, then you're gonna be able to fix it this way. Now, if you have a different fridge, just go read the manual and it should tell you how to do it. But I wanna show you with this type of model, how you're gonna do it. We see that the ice, there's no ice inside. One of the things that could happen is that these get frozen just like this. As you can see right here, this part gets frozen and it doesn't go up and down. You're able to tell right now. That can be the issue. So what you're gonna do, so what you can do is just move it around, get the ice out, clean it from the ice. That should be able to make this more flexible to be going up and down, because this is one of the things that controls the ice from coming down. Okay, you're gonna put it right here to the side. Now what you would have to grab next is this, a push pin. Push pin, safety pin. You can use a needle, a sewing needle, or you can use a bobby pin. You can, of course, you're gonna find anywhere easily. I'm gonna use this. As you can see, whenever you took out the container, you're gonna see there's a small hole right there. Are you able to see it? There's a small hole right here. What you're gonna do with the safety pin is you're gonna press inside that hole for 5 to 10 seconds and then let it go. What that gonna do is it's gonna make this lift go up. This is gonna go up and then go down. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this in the hole. And then carefully you're gonna take it out. That's gonna go up. Then you're gonna wait for it to go down. What that's gonna do is gonna reset the whole ice machine. Just gonna give it a couple of seconds. Goes down. And yeah, once that step is done, put this away. Grab the ice container. You put it back carefully. And then you make it fit. Once that process of resetting the ice dispenser is done, you're gonna have to wait 30 minutes for it to start producing the ice. And you're gonna have to go back and make sure that there's ice. And if it doesn't work the first time, then try it twice so you are able to see that it's dispensed the ice. Just hold it like that.
Is it locked?
I'd like that. Yes. There's ice. See?